Today our destination is Bundi. We made obeisance at a roadside temple. And started to cross 4,444 stairs along the acclivity to reach the bank of River Kali. Here, after having tea and some rest, we came down the declivity and again 8 kilometers up the acclivity to reach Lakshmanpur. We completed our breakfast in a roadside tea stall beside the River Kali. We had an ostrich journey up the acclivity to Malpa. In 1998, 40 Yatris of batch number 12, along with 390 villagers, got drowned due to cloudburst and landslides. Completing lunch at Malpa, we proceeded alternately over the acclivities and declivities to Bundi camp. Across the way we kept in listening to the song of the River Kali. On the way, we came by two waterfall queens. The singing and dancing in their own gay were coming out of their respective sources, in a way as if bursting in smile. After crossing Lamari, a small village, we stepped to Bundi camp. Our 2 days journey ends here. Our 2 days destination is Gunji. Today, we are to climb 10,320 feet and to trek 18 kilometers. After having tea, we started off in the name of Kailashpati. For some distance, the route remains steep and narrow. It rained in the morning, so the route has become slippery with mud and water. Evidently, we had an arduous stroll. We, on completing the acclivity, reached the Chialek. We are going to the land of Shiva, so Vang is a must for Shiva. For retaining his Volanath image, by having bhang. At Chialek, we had our breakfast. All on a sudden, it seemed that the curtain has been pulled off from our eyes. Now, so far, our vision go amidst the mentioned natural beauty lies an extensive greenland of plateaus. Over the green-covered highlands, stretching are the beauties of several flowers. Their name? No, I don't know. It is as if the colorful butterflies have called for a fair of them. For half a mile extends the beautiful exhibition of the various nature-owned flowers. Behind them lies the skyscraping cliff of hills. Their tops are glittering golden in sun. At some places, the hilly laps are filled with the floating swans of cloud. Down flows the Kali River. Over it and across the horizon, the mountain cliffs are stretching themselves. Fab-like vegetations have formed their communities at the base of the formerly spoken words. Nevertheless, it is an eye-soothing scenario. We arrived at Gerbiang. And launched in a small village called City. Resting there for some time, we started again. On the way, the ITBP Jawans checked our passports and treated us warmly. En route to Gunji, we saw the meeting point of river Kali and Kutti. We went for some time on foot along the river Kutti to reach the KMBN guest house. Gunji, located at an altitude of 10,320 feet. Gunji is really a chilled place. We will be staying here for 5th and 6th August.